So what we're going to be doing today is taking off the entire front end of this to facelift it. So we're going to replace both headlights with the facelift headlights, change the bonnet because these grills are actually bigger on the facelift models, and then we will be putting in the M3 front bumper. So I'm going to try and get this done today. It's quite late into the day, but if I don't get it done, then I will do it another day, just in case you see the weather changing or anything on the video. So stay tuned and let's see what it looks like after it's done. Right guys, what I need to do now to fit the new M3 front bumper on is take all this section off the back of the original, which is all of this slam bar. Some people call it different things, I call it a slam bar. Bolts onto the front here, and it also keeps the shape of the front bumper. So the M3 bumper that we got, you can see the back of it there. This is a pattern part, it's not genuine, but on the original front bumper we've got these clips here what hold this onto the bumper. We don't have them on the pattern part M3 bumper. So I'm going to take this off, bolt it on, and just see if I can put that on top of it and connect it somehow to that. So best thing to do is just jump in the deep end and get it done, really. So let's get started. So you can see, let's get that piece out there, just getting a flathead screwdriver, bringing it out as much as I can with flathead screwdriver. I'm getting my little interior little prizer tool out, and that pulls that out, and then that comes out. Try not to lose them, they're reusable. And then that's where it is, that which looks a bit like a raw plug, and then that what spreads that inside to stop it from coming out. Some sort of clips. 2 little clips in each of these ends, just beyond where the horns are. So you push that up and then try and, there we go. Right, I'm guessing why the new headlight won't fit is because these bits are different. This was for the original headlights, which were, it's like a jet washer that comes out for the lights because they're action lights. I'm guessing these ones are not. This is one that comes with it and it is a different shape. So when you do a facelift, you do need them. What I have to do for you lot, sun's going down, but I want to get this done so you all can see it. Right, so that's now one of many upgrades done. Front end facelift with the M3 front bumper. As you can see, it's getting dark now, so I wanted to get it on as quickly as possible so you lot can see. It's not fully adjusted, there's a lot more of adjustment to do, get all the gaps and everything perfect, and a lot more bolts still need to go in to make sure everything fits well and everything and that. So this is what it is. Oh. Facelift with the M3 front bumper. Obviously everything's different colour because it's all come from different cars. Once it's wrapped, it's going to look good. So next thing I'm going to be doing is the rear end, M3 rear bumper with a CSL rear boot. I'm still waiting for the CSL rear boot to be delivered. It's come from Germany. They're made to order. They said it's been dispatched, so hopefully it will be here by next week. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe to see that next video. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.